My name is Beth Gullett. I am the Senior Digital Marketing Manager for Signal Boosters. Our team is excited to announce that we will carry and install the SureCall 5G C-band signal booster. Our expert team can help you make the right choice to boost your signal within your building. I'm joined today with Hongtao Zhan, CEO and founder of SureCall, and Saddruddin Currimbhoy, CEO of Signal Boosters and Bolton Install Pros. Today, we will be answering questions about SureCall's latest product, the SpeedLink 5G C-band booster. So Mr. Zhan is the founder and CEO of SureCall. He is the innovation and technology leader of the cell phone signal booster industry based in the Silicon Valley since 2001. Currimbhoy has decades of experience in the RF and communications field. He began signalboosters.com in 2011, and the website has grown to include enterprise products and turnkey installation with our partner, Bolton Install Pros. The partnership between the two organizations makes them a leader in the RF industry, not only from understanding the products, but also providing the professional expertise for installation of these complex RF systems. So welcome, everybody. My first question is going to be for Mr. Zhan. What is the C-band spectrum and what are the advantages of this 5G frequency block?
The C-band spectrum is sitting at 3.7 to 3.98 in the United States. It's the best chunk of spectrum for mid-band 5G deployment.
What does the C-band signal booster do exactly?
C-band booster bring the C-band cellular signal into the building. It's significant because typically radio frequency at this high frequency level does not penetrate building well.
So the next question is for both of you. I'll go ahead and ask Mr. Zhan first and then Mr. Currimbhoy next. What is it about this SureCall product that makes it so unique and exciting and sets it apart from other boosters?
This is the only booster available on the market that's amplify C-band signal, get the C-band signal into the building, and this is the only one, the first one being approved by major carrier, namely Verizon.
Mr. Currimbhoy, from your perspective, what makes this an exciting product?
Well, first of all, what he said, but beyond that, C-band is an absolute game changer in business as well as even for personal use down the road. But what this particular booster is so special is it allows us to do what Hong just said, is bring that signal and make it available to the customer. It does so at an incredibly affordable price point. It is within the reach of literally every company that needs this kind of speed, and whether or not they like it. If they don't need it now, they're going to need it soon enough because content is getting richer. Content needs more bandwidth. The promise of 5G is at our doorstep, and this is an incredible, and I can't stress this enough, cost-effective way for us to bring this to the fingertips of any size of a company.